How to fix the Bluesky 403 forbidden error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this access issue and get back into the app. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Bluesky icon and tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop and confirm to shut down the app completely. From there, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be triggering the forbidden error. At this point, reopen Bluesky and check if the error is gone. If it is, you're all set. If not, continue with the next steps. In the next step, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as sometimes a network issue can cause authentication errors like this one. Following this, open the Play Store and search for Bluesky. Tap Update if one is available, since this type of error is often patched in newer versions. Once done, if the error continues, try logging out of your account from inside the app and logging back in to refresh your session and clear any expired credentials that may be causing the 403 error. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Then reopen Bluesky and check if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Bluesky forbidden error on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.